If you do not file the BOI by January 1st of 2025, you could see up to $500 a day in penalties for not filing this report, up to a maximum of $10,000 in penalties, and you could even see jail time if you fail to file. Here's what you need to know. Beginning January 1st of 2024, Fincen opened up their website for all owners of LLCs to file the BOI report. This report is mandatory for all LLC owners. As stated previously, if you do not file, you could see some hefty fines and penalties. How do you actually file this report? First, you're going to want to go to Fincen.gov/BOI and click on File. Next, you're going to have to decide what type of filing are you going to select. Is this an initial filing or are you updating an old filing? For most business owners, this is going to be an initial report. Then you click Next. Now you come to the next screen and you can skip questions 3 and 4. Question number 5, you're just going to fill out your company name. And if you use a DBA for your business, then in line number 6, that's where you'll put the DBA name. Next, you're going to fill out your EIN information, or if you use your social security number, you'll put in your social security number. Next is going to be the information on where your state was formed. So you're going to have the United States, and then also below that in 10B is going to be the state in which you formed your LLC. Next is going to be the beneficial owner screen. This is where you will actually input the information of all of the beneficial owners of the company. Beneficial owner is going to be anyone that owns 25% or more of the company, or finally, you'll come to the last screen where you'll have to put in your email address. You'll have to check the I agree box and click the I am human box before you can finally send off your BOI report and have it submitted to Fincen. If you have an LLC or if you know someone who has an LLC, tag them in this message, share it with them so that they don't accidentally get hit with some hefty penalties and even see jail time.